Hello everyone, you're watching Health Pandora. If you're new here, please keep on watching. We have an exciting topic for you today. It is almost similar to the topic that we have already talked in our channel actually, on the same line but not as similar. We're going to talk to you about apples, and in general not just apples, it is a product of apple actually. We are going to talk to you about apple cider vinegar. Apart from the traditional way of using apples, did you know apples can be used in other varieties of ways as well? We have all heard the term an apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? But how true is that? Let's just see it in this video today. But to be clear, there are obviously other kind of ways you can use apple cider also. We have talked in length about apple cider vinegar, how it can help you with your weight loss journey. So if you are interested, you can always go and check it in our website. It is there in the description, as in the link is there in the description down below. So let's just talk about the topic right now. So giving you a heads up of what we are going to talk to you about today is actually benefits of apple cider vinegar and the beneficial factors of how it helps us in general in our health, overall health. Let's just see. Okay, so let's be real. In today's world, more and more people like us actually are looking for a solution that is more on the natural side, right, than the chemical side of it. So why not try apples? And not in general just the apple, we actually just so guys, it's high time that we skip the pharmacy aisles and get hold of apple cider vinegar. And don't worry, we are gonna actually tell you why you should do it. So let's just see. So here are exactly why you should actually consider apple cider vinegar. So here is why you should actually try apple cider vinegar. So the very first thing that apple cider vinegar can help you with is your health, your medical health, your general health. So we all tend to go to doctors for all kind of measurements such as our blood sugar, our blood pressure in fact. And did you know there are articles and articles about blood pressure management with the help of apple cider vinegar? There are components in apple cider vinegar like potassium, calcium, copper and whatnot that can actually help you to lower down your blood pressure level. So why don't you just try apple cider vinegar for that? So obviously apart from this, there is another topic that is almost similar to that of your previous one, that is your blood sugar level. So your blood sugar level is also lowered down with the help of apple cider vinegar. Not regular intake of apple cider vinegar, but yeah, if you can have apple cider vinegar on a regular intervals, like in 2 to 3 days alternatively, then you can actually lower down your blood sugar level. Well, who would have thought that, right? But don't worry, we are not just talking to you about your medical health. Well guys, there is another way that apple cider vinegar can help you with. In fact, our third most important thing that apple cider vinegar is beneficial for is none other than your sore throat or cough or something related to that. So gargling with apple cider vinegar is said to be quite beneficial in cases of your cough and if you have potential pain in your throat, and ACV is not very carefully diluted, can also harm your throat. So please be careful about how you're using it. Just using it directly in your throat is not going to help you. So we're going to tell you how you can use it also later in the video, so please keep on watching. Okay, so the fourth way how apple cider vinegar is helpful is it can be used for your scalp and hair. So in fact, the fourth important thing apple cider vinegar can do to your health care is your hair care. So apple cider vinegar has certain properties to combat flakes and itchiness and any kind of irritation in your scalp. Although there are ways to use it, I'm going to tell you about it later. But yeah, this is one of the ways you can use apple cider vinegar. It is quite beneficial for your hair in a very varieties of ways. Okay, so now that you know how apples are beneficial and how you can trick yourself using it, there are varieties of other beneficial factors of apple cider vinegar as well. And of course, we cannot cover all of it in a video right now, but there are other kind of articles also that we cover. Did you know apple cider vinegar is highly beneficial for losing weight? And we do have an article based only on losing weight and how you can lose weight in a month, in fact, in our website. So you can always go and check the description down below for the link for it. So we know what beneficial factors apple cider vinegar has and what we can do with it. But do we know how to do it? Well, there are certain kind of factors that you have to keep in mind, such as do not use apple cider vinegar on a concentrated form. No matter what, do not drink apple cider vinegar. And no matter what, do not forget few points that I'm going to tell right now. You can always drink apple cider vinegar. You can always use it for other uses also. I'm going to tell you soon. But drinking or applying apple cider vinegar cannot be on a concentrated form. Always dilute your apple cider vinegar before drinking it, especially because it can harm your throat in ways you cannot imagine. So please do dilute your apple cider vinegar before drinking it. But apart from drinking apple cider vinegar, also you can use it for applying it on your skin in various forms, whether it be in a moisturizing form or whether you use it with essential oils. But yeah, with essential oils can help you in a varieties of ways, and in fact we do have certain kind of articles based on essential oils particularly, so you can always go and check the description down below before you decide on how to use it. So yeah guys, to sum it up, you can use apple cider vinegar in various forms, such as either by drinking it, but yeah, diluting and drinking it. You can use it for your hair as a shampoo or a conditioner. You can always use it as a toner, and there are other various ways also, which we will actually talk to you about in our next video, which is gonna come up soon. So please keep on watching for that. That was all for today guys. Hope you did like the video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also do not forget to comment down below before leaving. We have other kind of topics, and if you have any other queries related to the topic, you can always visit our website www.healthpandora.com. We will bring to you more topics on health and wellness. Please keep on watching, and till then, take care. Bye bye.